Many call it a hidden gem. Budbud Tali or Bubble Lake, Goa. Welcome to Goa, my Goa vlog with Albert Pinto. Parking space is freely available. Popularly known as Netravali Bubble Lake, situated in a peaceful and serene village of Netravali. The name says it all, Bubble Lake. Why it is called a bubble lake? As you clap, in few seconds bubbles rise continuously from the bottom of the surface in various sites in the lake. Emerging of these bubbles is a mystery. The locals call them miracle bubbles of the local deity. The lake is surrounded by a well-maintained Gopinath temple, Lord Krishna. How to reach there? You can ride via Cabin Tilamol Rivna. The distance from Margao is 1 hour approximately. And now let's have a demo of Budbud bubbles rising from the surface after clapping hard.